If Interac e-transfer is not working in the CIBC app, start by checking your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Then, if you're not able to do so, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection so your app operates smoothly and the transfers work smoothly as well. Then confirm that your recipient email or phone number is entered correctly. Double check for caps locks, lowercase, uppercase, numbers, @ anything like that. Then make sure your Interac transfer is enabled on your account and you have not exceeded your daily limit. If the transfer is pending, wait for a few minutes as processing can be delayed. If the problem continues, go ahead and log out and log back into the app, and that's it. Subscribe